This week saw us begin the AIC showcase in Adelaide. It was great to see suppliers come to the AIC showcase who were at the leading edge of science from a conceptual perspective and having them roll that technology into potential defence applications and really pitch their products and services right into the Land 400 program. South Australia markets itself as the defence state and has enjoyed a very long history of defence industry being present within the South Australian borders. Of note, within South Australia, we saw quite a few companies that were operating in the electronic space and in particular software development. BAE Systems has a long and established history with a lot of the suppliers who are in South Australia by virtue of the major projects that we've executed within this region. Some of these projects date back decades, and as such, the relationships that we enjoy with the suppliers date back decades too. But what was really pleasing to see, alongside those long established supplier relationships, were the new entrants to the defence market that we'd only been dealing with for about the last 2 years or so. Some of these companies were very successful in other sectors and were taking those skills and applying them in the defence realm. We saw this in particular within categories such as power management, software development and hardware manufacture. Due to a heavy customer presence in the surveillance space, we saw lots of SMEs come to the AIC showcase with real expertise in electronic warfare, surveillance. What was really pleasing in South Australia was that we saw some organisations which had incredible success within other sectors, such as the automotive sector, really come in and take those skills, knowledge and abilities and apply them within the defence space. We're seeing this in the heavy vehicle power management sector. It's fantastic to see organisations that have been very successful in other sectors apply those skills into the defence sector. These organisations have demonstrated performance which will be very well applicable and indeed well received for a program like Land 400.